Welcome back, friends. So this is a part first of this series, that is real-time whiteboard sharing app. And in the previous video, I have given you the overview here. So today we will first of all create our project plan. So we are going to make project planning here, and that we are going to do with the help of Trello. So yeah, this Trello we are going to use Trello here. So then, according to this plan, then we are going to start creating, moving step by step, start creating our application. So today in this video, we are just going to manage this. So now, without wasting any time, let's start it. Let's create our project plan, and then we will move forward from next video according to our project plan. So first of all, you have to go to Trello.com and then you have to log in your user ID. So I have already logged in with my user ID. Now here you have to create one new board here. So you can create here workspaces also. So let's create one workspace first of all. So I'm creating one workspace. So workspace will be Fullyworld web tutorials, and then type will be our, we can say that it is an education, or let it be education only, and then click on continue. So this will create a workspace for us. Now I am under the Fullyworld web tutorials workspace. So this is actually a private workspace. Now here we have to create one board here. So let's click on create new board. So here we will create one board, and you can choose any background that you want. So I'm choosing this background, and the board title will be real time whiteboard sharing app. And so visibility, you can do visibility can be public also, private also. So till now I will make this public visibility here. So I'm making this public, and I will leave the link in the video description for this also. So you can move accordingly. Then click on create. So this is our board now. So our board is public. So I will leave the link in video description. And here we can add list here. You can invite many people, and we can do automation also, but we are not going to do that. So we will just add some boards here. So first will be our start, or we can say that here will be our task. So task will be there, and then here processing, means we are doing our task, and third one will be done, if this task is done or not. So these three boards will be there, and now we will add card here. So first of all we will add here first card. So first of all, what will be our first thing? So first thing will be our project setup. So first of all, we have to set up the project here, both for the front end and for the back end. So there will be two videos for that. For front end, first of all, we will set up the project for front end, and then we will set up the project for back end. So here we are going to write project setup. So this will be for front end, and next project setup, and this will be for backend. And whenever we will be doing this work, we will move this tile to the processing here. So this means that we are doing this work, and we will change this color to anyone. I will click on edit labels. So here we will make this to red here. So this red means this is under construction, and when it will done, we will give it this a green signal. So we will do each task in each video. So means we can say that this task will be our one video. So let me remove this first. So let's remove this label, and let's make it back here. So these two videos will be there. First we will project set, we will set up the project for front end, and then we will set up the project for back end. And the third thing, so third thing we will do, so that will be our starting of the front end. So we will start our front end. So in this starting of the front end, what we will do, so here we will create basic whiteboard. So here we will create our basic whiteboard first. So we will create our basic whiteboard. So this will only having so features, but features will be there. So this will only having our whiteboard canvas with pencil or line, with pencil or line. So this, first of all, we will create only basic whiteboard, and then we will upgrade that whiteboard to, we will upgrade whiteboard to, so we will upgrade it to like pencil, means we will upgrade our whiteboard, and that whiteboard will be containing the features. So these features will be like, so it will be having the feature of clear canvas is not there, so it will be like the feature of shapes will be there, and then we can have undo and redo also, or we will create this video. So here will be shapes will be there, so we will upgrade this. So this we will create it dynamic, so means we will make this whiteboard dynamic, and then at last we will finish our whiteboard. So we will finish our whiteboard, we will add undo redo. So we will add this and we will finish our whole whiteboard. So within 3 videos, our whiteboard will be completed. So this means that our front end will be completed, not almost completed, because whenever we will do the back end, so we need front end also. So as we will be using socket.io, so that's why. Now, so we have already set up the project of backend also. So now we will move to our backend. So in this, what we will do, so actually let me zoom this. So here we will first of all do like, we have already set up the socket.io and everything. We have set up the server in this one. So we will set up this there. Now we will start creating routes here. So routes we will create routes, and so we will create the route, and in the same video we will join and create room. In the same video we will join and create room, and one more thing is pending. So our front end is not completed yet, so whiteboard is also there, but we have to create the forms also. So forms we have to create. So first of all, forms we have to create, then we will go to the basic whiteboard. So forms of joining and creating room in front end. So these we will create here first, and then we are moving step by step. And join and create room, so that we have handled, and then we will handle the real time whiteboard communication. Now this real-time whiteboard communication will be done. So as this is done, still we have not completed our app here because two things are pending here. So first of all, we have to create users, show joined users. So we have to show the joined users, and we have also first of all, after doing this, then we will look for the some bugs. So we will fix the bugs, fixing bugs, and after that we will do our bonus video. So bonus will be there, adding chat system. So these things we will do, and in our whole series, we will move step by step, and there can be a chance like one step can take two videos or one step can take three videos. But I will move to maximum two videos will be there, and minimum in one video I will try to complete one task here. So these are our all tasks. So we will, whenever we are doing this task, means whenever we are doing this task in the video, we will move this to the processing, and when it is done we will move that to the done section here. And if there are some issues, then we can also move that back to the processing, and then means according to the project plan we will move there. So I will leave this link in the video description, and you can move accordingly also. So for today, this is enough. If you have any queries, please comment in my section. I will definitely respond to that. And from the next video, we will start creating our app. So means we will start completing our task, and first task will be our project setup. So this will be under the processing. So thank you for watching. If you have any queries, please comment in comment section. I will definitely respond to that.